Hey foodies, welcome back. Let me show you how to prepare this delicious, quick and easy fried chicken. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I have some leg quarters already washed and prepped. I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, some paprika, chili powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, sazon, and chicken bouillon. So the first thing you want to do is combine all those seasonings so they can be evenly distributed onto the chicken. Once you're done, you want to follow up with a little oil so the seasonings can adhere, and then you will add the seasoning. Make sure that the chicken is well marinated. Lift the skin and get up in there. Make sure that, every part of the chicken is well coated with those seasonings. Once we're done, we will cover and let this marinate for at least 2 hours. Don't rush the process. Next, I have here my breading, which are flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. I will add some garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, and black pepper to that. But first, I want to combine the cornstarch, baking powder, and flour, and then I will remove about 1/3 of a cup. This is what we'll use to make a little batter for the chicken. So once you're done, you want to add that seasoning in there and just mix the combine and set that aside. Next, you want to go ahead and add some water to that batter, preferably cold ice water. And once you're done, you want to apply it to the chicken. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated. And yeah, this will help the breading to stick to the chicken, giving it a nice crust on the outside. Next, you want to go ahead and coat your chicken generously in that seasoned flour and just set it to the side. You want to carry on with this process until all your chicken pieces are well floured. Once you're done, you want to let it sit for at least 15 minutes before frying. Here I've been preheating some oil. It has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I will drop my chicken pieces in and let them go for about 15 minutes or so. After about 10 minutes, I did remove the smallest piece because, I don't want to overcook it. The secret to juicy fried chicken is not overcooking your chicken. Don't fry it until it's so hard that all the juices are literally fried out of the chicken. So once the rest was done in 15 minutes, I removed them and just set them to the side and carry on with the same process until I was all done. And here you have it, quick and easy, juicy fried chicken. This was so flavorful and delicious. I paired mine with some shrimp chow mein and it was chef's kiss. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.